Hey everybody, Jenny here from Killer Ink. In today's video, we're taking a look at the compact, affordable new tattoo machine from ACUS, the ACUS C2. This machine is ACUS' answer to the cheap tattoo machine market. No bells and whistles, just great performance, flexibility, and customizability. So let's dive in. The ACUS C2 comes in a sturdy case with a few accessories as well as the paper manual. You'll get the machine itself, the standard 33mm grip 2, the 40mm grip plus, a single cam wheel, and the tool you'll need to swap it out. The first thing you'll notice about the C2 is its compact size and shape. It's only 84mm long, which is small enough to take a wireless battery pack without becoming unwieldable. With the standard 33mm grip, it's a fairly straight up and down shape, or you can swap to the 40mm for a chunkier hold. Most of the machine can be taken apart, with the rod guide and grip suitable for autoclave cleaning. Changing out the cams is fairly easy compared with some systems. Just use the included tool to undo the grub screw and swap in your new cam. You can pick up ACUS cams in stainless steel, heavy stainless steel, or the super heavy stroke brass options, with plenty of stroke length choices between 2.5 and 5mm. The 4.1mm heavy stroke cam wheel that comes with this pen style tattoo machine is just right for bold lining and shading techniques. The ACUS C2 has a 12-watt Japanese motor and is powered through a protected RCA connection. This is maybe one of the most flexible elements of the C2. You can use it with any RCA connection wireless battery pack, such as the Musatoku Rover R1 or Critical Connect V3. Alternatively, you can use it with an RCA cable and traditional power supply, so if you're prone to forgetting to charge your batteries, there's a backup. As well as working with all available ACUS cams, the C2 is compatible with all ACUS grips. On top of the two included, you can try the 33mm Black Grip Heavy, the 40mm Black Grip Plus Heavy, or the disposable grips which come in 33 or 40mm. ACUS even have a solution to the balance issues that some machines have with lightweight disposable grips. Just swap out the rod guide for the rod guide heavy. With the ACUS C2 tattoo machine, you'll get power, precision, and flexibility to work the way you want in a shockingly affordable package. So, what are you waiting for? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Killer Ink YouTube channel for more.